This Google Maps scraper can help you scrape thousands of leads from Google Maps within minutes. It's called Gmaps Extractor. And here's the website. It can basically help you extract leads and export the data into an Excel file. And here are the type of data that you're able to extract with the scraper. And we'll take a look at this one example. Just go up to Chrome extension, click on this, and type in the search bar. And after the results comes out, you just need to click on Start Extracting. And you just wait and let the data be extracted. When it finishes, just click on this and it will export to a Excel spreadsheet. It's as simple as that. Hundreds of leads within minutes. And here's how you install the Chrome extension. Click download, save the file, install the file to your computer. Go to extension and go to manage extensions. Turn on developer mode and click on load unpack and upload the file. And then come up here and pin the extension. And there you have it. That's how you install the Google Maps Extractor.